Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Tigner here for another phonics lesson. Our learning target for this week is I can demonstrate between short and long vowels. Boys and girls, this week we've talked about vowels, and our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. We talked that we have short vowels, and when there are short vowels, we can hear the sound the vowel says. And we also talked about long vowels, and long vowels say its name. Yesterday we talked about short vowel sounds. And when we listen for the short O and U vowel sound, we hear the vowel say its name. So short O says ah, and short U says uh. And these are some words that have the short O and U vowel sounds. Miss Signer is going to stretch out the words so help us remember those vowel sounds. Huh, op. You heard that short O vowel sound, ah. And this word fun, let's stretch it out to listen for that short U vowel sound, fun. Oh, this is a different word. It'll have the short U vowel sound. Tub. Did you hear that short U sound? What about this word? Let's listen for that short O vowel sound. Dog. Dog. Today we're going to talk about long vowels, and long vowels say its name. So O will say O in the word, and U will say U in the word. When reading the long vowel sounds, we are listening for their vowel say its name. So we are going to focus on long O vowel sound and long U vowel sound for today. So the long vowels will say cone, cone. Did you hear O say its name in the word cone? Cone. Good job reading cone with me. We heard that O say its name in the word, and that's a long vowel sound. Well, what about this word? Miss Tigner's going to stretch it out and listen for the long U vowel sound. Rule. I heard U say its name in the word. Rule. Good job. Today we're going to listen to Pete the Cat head to toe and looking for the words with long O vowel sounds, and we're also going to read Pete the Cat underwater with the long U vowel sound. Are you ready to read those words with me? Remember, we're looking for the long O vowel sound in this story called Pete the Cat head to toe. Pete the Cat has lots of clothes. He does not know what to wear. Mom votes for yellow. Yellow is mellow. Pete changes out of it. He wears his fish shorts. The bus driver votes for polka dot socks. Coach votes for a baseball cap. Pete puts on all of his clothes. He's dressed from head to toe. Uh-oh, Pete feels hot. Too many clothes dressed from head to toe. Did you see any words with a long O vowel sound? Me too. Next, we're going to read Pete the Cat underwater adventure, and we are going to look for long U vowel sounds. Pete the Cat is about to go on a new adventure. He is going scuba diving. The captain says you might get lucky and see a seahorse. The ocean is huge. It's bigger than a pool. Pete jumps into the blue water. Pete sees a school of fish. Cool. but he does not see a seahorse. Pete spots a stingray too. Neat! But he still does not see a seahorse. Oh, look! Pete sees a seahorse. Now, groovy. Okay, boys and girls, did you see any words with a long U vowel sound in Pete the Cat Underwater Adventure? Me too. Let's talk about what words that we saw in the Pete the Cat stories that had the long O and the long U vowel sounds. Miss Tigner saw these words. Toe, to-o. Do you hear the long O vowel sound in the word toe? What about this word? No. N-o. I hear the long O vowel sound in the word no too. What about these words? These words have that long U vowel sound. We have blue. Blue has that long U vowel sound as we hear you say its name. And we also have the word U. U has the long U vowel sound too. Thank you for listening, boys and girls. You're going to do another activity for our vowel sound for today. Thank you for joining me. I hope you have a great day.